A good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary. Yes, binary time. In this puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, January the 11th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one. Yes, it's the binary puzzle. It's binary time, and this one will be number 9885. 9885. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 23 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Somewhere here is the fifth one. And 5 ones. Yeah. So in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here one, there one. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. That box should be a 1 then. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. I know that this cannot be a 1. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row in this row. This box should be definitely an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Then, let me see. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 O's. I cannot place number 5 there. Otherwise, we will have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this should be a 1 then. Double ones, here no, there no. Okay. 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O. If I place the 5th O there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Now we have the 5th O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Finish. 5 minutes without comparing. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.